Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about a beautiful and nostalgic diecast model, the lledo days gone 19th century horse-drawn steam fire engine pumper. This charming miniature is not just a small collectible, it is a piece of history captured in metal. First, let's talk about the company behind it. The model was produced by lledo, a British diecast manufacturer well known for producing highly detailed vintage vehicle models. This model belongs to the Days Gone series, a range focused on recreating vehicles from the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a period when craftsmanship and mechanical innovation were rapidly evolving. On the box, it says, "Made in England," and 1983 lledo London Limited, start your own diecast collection today. This shows that the model was produced during the early years of lledo's success in the 1980s, when the company aimed to create affordable yet detailed collectibles that introduced people to the hobby. This particular piece represents a 19th century horse-drawn steam fire engine pumper. Before motorized fire trucks existed, fire departments relied on steam-powered machines pulled by strong horses. In emergencies, speed was critical. The faster they arrived, the greater the chance of saving buildings and lives. The model features two black horses pulling a bright yellow carriage fitted with a red steam boiler. These bold colors reflect traditional firefighting equipment of that era. Fire engines were often painted in red and yellow or gold tones to make them highly visible and to symbolize bravery and strength. The red boiler represents the heart of the machine. Steam fire engines worked by heating water inside the boiler to produce steam. That steam powered a pump capable of forcing water through hoses at high pressure. Compared to earlier hand-operated pumps, steam engines dramatically increased efficiency and water pressure, revolutionizing firefighting in the 19th century. The livery reads, 5 Lake City, which likely represents engine number 5 of a historic or symbolic Lake City Fire Department. In the 1800s, fire engines were commonly marked with a company number and city name, reflecting civic pride and strong unit identity. Being part of engine number 5 would have been a source of honor within the community. As a collectible, this early 1983 production marked, "Made in England," is especially appreciated by collectors, as it represents lledo's original manufacturing period. The phrase, "Start your own diecast collection today," perfectly captures the company's vision of making historical miniatures accessible to everyone. Despite its small size, the craftsmanship is impressive. The detailed harnesses on the horses, the structure of the carriage, and the classic 19th century styling beautifully capture the elegance and mechanical spirit of early firefighting technology. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this closer look at this historic diecast model.